last video we have covered about chart, and in this video we are going to cover header and footer. And you already know how header and footer are very important in MS Word. Header means top of the page, footer means bottom of the page. And without wasting time, let's go to practical and you will understand how to insert header and how to insert footer. Let's go. You already know what is header and footer in MS Word, and we are in screen and we are going to do practically how header will work in MS Word and how footer will work in MS Word. Header means top of the page, footer means bottom of the page. If you want to add any title, we use header. If you want to add any page number in MS Word, we use footer. Let's go and we'll understand how it will work. And before that, where header and footer is available in MS Word. Once you open MS Word, go to Insert tab. There is an option called header and footer. Okay, let's insert header first. Click on header. So once you click on header, you will have types of headers, types of heading. So choose which one is good, and I'm choosing this blue color one. Choose this and write the title. I already written MS Word. This is one, and this is the title. Once you insert the header, the extra two tab will be appearing here. One is shape format, another one is related header and footer. Okay, so I'm done, and I want to insert footer now. So go to insert again. There is option called footer. Click on again. You will have a types of footing, types of footer, and you can choose which one you would like to insert here. And please select which is matching one, which you have selected header, and select the footer which is matching to heading. So already we have selected blue color. I am select again blue color only. So I have told you, right, header will be coming at the top of the page, footer will be coming at the bottom of the page. So here I am writing page numbers. Okay, so you can write your name also. I am writing MS Word. Okay, so here you can write your name. I am writing my name. So this is how. Okay, so and what will happen if I take a next page? What will happen if I take a next page? Let's check. I'll take a next page. Yes, this is the duty of header and footer here. So if you apply your header and your footer into one page, no need to write again and again for second page and the next page. It applies immediately. The whichever and how many pages you take, there it will apply immediately header and footer. Let's take, I have taken 3 pages, but I have applied first page only. Okay, this is first page. Let's go down, check. This is second page. Then go to third page. Okay, so this is the best benefit by heading and footing here. So please use this, is very important. And then what will happen? I have inserted header and footer. I want to remove. Very simple. What we have to do? Double click on the heading. So we go to header and footer. So there is option called close your header and footer. Otherwise, you have one more option called, there is a drop down on the header. Click here. There is option called remove header. If you click, it removes. The same, go to footer, click there and click on footer, close, remove the footer. Yes, it's gone. Now no footer, no header here. So this is what the duty of header and footer. Okay, so this is what we have today's video, and thank you so much, and please support my channel.